Find missing number 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66. What number should come next? So look at the pattern. Watch what happens step by step. So 2, 6, right? 2 times 3. And then 6 equals 7 plus 1, right? Then 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 plus 1 equals 22. So multiply by 3, then add 1, repeat, right? So 2 times 3 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 plus 1 equals 22. Then 22 times 3 equals 66. Now add 1. So 66 plus 1 equals 67.